want to say hi? I'm doing a video.
Oh, hi.
Let's see what we get later.
Good boy, Whoopie-doo. Front to back, left to right. We got Rupert creature, did I tell you before? Peanut Panda. Pastor TJ. Skipper Elizabeth. Garnet.
So what is upright ears versus floppy ears?
Upright means they're listening to you. They're perking up, and if you say their name, sometimes their ears will turn back to you. Listen a little more. There's your mountain on your right. Get a little view of it going around the corner here. There you go. The camera, what kind is it?
This is actually relatively old. They come out with new ones every year. So this is the 20D. And they're up to, we had the 30D, 40D, now they're up to the 50D. So this one works just fine.
Nice. The Suntech?
Canon? Canon?
Yeah.
Snow on the mountain. I see you there. Yep. You want me to stop you in the shade? Hey, whoa! Oh, that's pretty unique.
Especially with the dogs in the foreground.
Yeah.